Assalamu alaikum guys, what's up? So in this video we are gonna be learning about drop-down implementation in Flutter. Okay, so let's get started. As you can see in the body, I have already applied a center widget. Now let's implement a drop-down widget. For first, we must have a list. So here I am creating a list of type string. Let's say a list of programming languages. Let's say we have Java, Python, Dart, PHP, and so on. And let's us initialize a variable string language, and let's say Java. The variable must have a value that is present in the list, otherwise it won't work in the drop down field. Okay, so now let's implement in the child property drop down button, which takes important property of items, and in the items you have to provide this list, and you have to map this list. We have a list of programming dot map, which represents another function e, and it returns a widget. So return drop down menu item, and in the child you have to return text and just return this e and set to list. Okay, so what it does is, this programming is a list, and we are mapping this list, which is representing another function and is returning a widget, and we have passed the drop down menu item, which is iterating one by one during this iterating the values one by one. In the value you have to assign this e, and just pass this hint text to your variable. Drop down button also has a property of value, and in the value you have to pass the variable that you have made, language. Okay, let's reload and check. Okay, so here we have got our hint text, and if you check and if you click, okay, so we have to implement the on change property. We select and we have to implement that one also. In the on change, assign a parameter and set a state. Set this language, your variable, to this value. Okay, format, and let's check. Okay, PHP, and as you can see we have got our desired result. So that is working completely fine. Okay, so let's style this drop down a bit. Okay, so as you can see, we have a slightly highlighted grayed bottom underline. First remove that one. In the drop down button you have a property of underline. Just set this to a container, empty container. Let's check. Okay, so here it is completely fine. Okay, let's assign some text style property create a variable of text styles, so we won't need to create again and again text style, and pass this text font size of 20, font weight to bold, okay, pass the style to here and here. Okay, let's check. Okay, so it is completely working fine. So let's assign a border to it. Okay, wrap this drop down button into a container, assign a box decoration, assign a border.all, assign a color, and set a width to highlight a bit more. So I'm setting it 2.5. Just apply some radius, border radius dot all, radius dot circular, and let's say 18. There's a need of padding here also, guys. In the container you have a predefined property of padding. Assign edge insets dot let's say symmetric, horizontal to 8 and vertical to 4. So yes, it is completely working fine and we are getting our desired result. If okay, so if you want to remove this icon or if you want to expand its size, you can use the property. Let's say icon size, you can assign icon size, and we do have more properties. Press Ctrl and mouse button and here you go. You also have focus color, focus node, drop down color, elevation. Let's apply some elevation to 8. As you can see, okay, so that's all from this video, guys. I hope you like it. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe my channel. And for more videos, please hit that bell icon. Thank you for watching this video.